Most people waste hours every week doing tasks that AI can finish in minutes. Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can save you 10 hours every single week, and all of them are super easy to use. These aren't complicated tools, and you don't need any technical skills. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how each AI tool works and which one is perfect for your daily workflow. The first tool is ChatGPT, but most people use it the wrong way. Instead of asking simple questions, you can use it to write emails, generate ideas, and even plan your entire day in seconds. ChatGPT can instantly summarize long documents, rewrite messy text, rough ideas into clear, useful content, all in just a few clicks. What normally takes hours of thinking can be done in seconds with instant, accurate results. If you work on a computer, ChatGPT alone can save you 2 to 3 hours every single week. Once you learn how to ask the right prompts, it quickly becomes your personal assistant for almost everything you do. The second tool is Notion AI, and it's ideal for anyone who deals with notes, tasks, or planning every day. Instead of wasting time organizing everything manually, Notion AI helps you structure your ideas faster and more clearly. Notion AI takes messy notes and instantly turns them into clear action plans. It summarizes long pages, organizes scattered ideas, and automatically creates to-do lists, so you can focus on doing the work, not organizing it. With Notion AI handling the organizing and planning, your work stays clear, structured, and easy to manage. Everything is laid out for you, so you always know what to do next and can move faster with confidence. If your notes, tasks, and ideas are spread across different places, Notion AI brings everything together in one simple system. It helps you stay organized, think clearly, and get more done without unnecessary effort. The third tool is Pictory, and it's incredibly useful if you create videos or online content. Instead of spending hours editing, you simply paste your text, and Pictory automatically selects visuals, adds captions, and builds a complete video for you in minutes. What makes Pictory even better is how simple it is to use. You don't need any technical skills or editing experience. The platform handles the hard work for you, so you can focus on your message while still creating clean, professional-looking videos. This is why Pictory is popular with faceless creators and small teams. It allows you to create consistent, high-quality videos without spending long hours editing or learning complex software. If you want to publish content regularly and keep your workflow simple, this tool makes the entire process much easier. The fourth tool is Grammarly AI, and it's designed to improve your writing in real time while you work. Instead of stopping to check grammar or spelling, Grammarly quietly helps you write clearer, smoother, and more professional text across everything you create. As you start typing, Grammarly works quietly in the background, analyzing each sentence in real time. It checks grammar, clarity, sentence structure, and tone, then suggests simple improvements you can apply instantly. This means your writing stays clear and polished without interrupting your workflow. For content creators, Grammarly AI is a true time saver. It not only fixes grammar and spelling mistakes, but also helps your writing sound natural, professional, and engaging. Whether you're drafting scripts, captions, emails, or social media posts, it ensures your message is clear and polished. This way you can focus more on creating ideas and less on editing, delivering consistent, high-quality content every time. This is why Grammarly AI has become a trusted tool for creators, professionals, and teams worldwide. It works quietly in the background, improving clarity, tone, and flow without changing your original message. By helping your writing stay consistent and easy to understand, Grammarly supports everything you create, making your content more effective and ready to share with confidence. The fifth tool is ElevenLabs AI, and it completely changes how voiceovers are created. Instead of recording your own voice or hiring voice artists, ElevenLabs lets you generate natural, human-sounding voices using AI. It's especially useful for faceless videos, podcasts, and educational content. You simply paste your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice style, and the AI converts your text into realistic speech within seconds. The voices include natural pauses, emotions, and clear pronunciation, making them sound almost like a real person. For content creators, 11 Labs saves time and removes the need for expensive recording equipment. You can create voiceovers anytime in different tones and accents without worrying about background noise or retakes. This makes it easier to stay consistent and produce content faster. This is why 11 Labs AI is widely used by faceless YouTube channels and digital creators. It helps deliver clear, engaging voiceovers without effort, while keeping your content consistent and professional. If voiceovers are part of your workflow, this tool makes the process simple and reliable. These AI tools are helping creators work faster, stay consistent, and produce better content with less effort. Whether you're creating videos, writing scripts, or managing your workflow, the right tools can make a real difference. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more short and practical AI content. This is AI Minutes, and I'll see you in the next one.